Space, the final frontier. Imagine a young boy named Leo who was fascinated by this vast, infinite expanse. At the tender age of 11, Leo's eyes held an unwavering sparkle, a reflection of the stars he adored. Each night as the world around him slept, he would find comfort in the company of twinkling celestial bodies, dreaming about the day he could voyage through the cosmos. His room, a sanctuary for his dreams, was a testament to his passion. Littered with books about planets, stars, and astronauts, each page turned was a step closer to his dream. The walls, adorned with posters of spacecrafts, served as constant reminders of his aspiration. He was not just a dreamer, he was a starry-eyed enthusiast, consumed by the mysteries of the universe. Leo's heart was filled with dreams of space travel. Little did he know an opportunity was about to present itself. One day a piece of news arrived that would set his heart racing. Leo's parents, with twinkling eyes and wide smiles, announced they were planning a trip to the American Space Agency, NASA's Space Center. A wave of pure joy washed over Leo, causing him to hop and skip around the room in delightful anticipation. The thought of coming face to face with real-life rockets, astronauts, and all things space-related sent his young heart fluttering. He dreamed of the towering rockets, their mighty engines ready to roar into life. He imagined the astronauts, clad in their silver suits, preparing for their next cosmic adventure. His mind was ablaze with the mysteries of the universe, just waiting to be explored. The days couldn't pass quickly enough for Leo as he counted down to the day of the visit. With his heart pounding in excitement, Leo eagerly awaited the day of the visit. Finally, the day arrived. The day when Leo's dreams were about to get a touch of reality. En route to the NASA Space Center, his heart pounded like a drum, echoing his excitement. As they arrived, the sight that greeted them was nothing short of awe-inspiring. Gigantic rockets stood tall, their silver bodies gleaming under the sun. They were a testament to human ingenuity and the thirst for discovery. Leo's eyes widened as they toured the museum, taking in the sight of the space station models. His fingers itched to touch the intricate designs, to feel the hard work and dedication that had gone into creating these marvels. His mind was a whirlwind of questions, each one bubbling up with the enthusiasm of a star bursting into life. He asked about the rockets, the space stations, the stars and galaxies far beyond their reach. His curiosity was like a boundless universe, growing with every answer he received. The guides indulged him, answering each question with a patience that only fueled his thirst for knowledge. Every fact, every snippet of information was a treasure to Leo, a piece of the puzzle that was the vast, enigmatic cosmos. His joy was palpable, radiating from him like the warmth of the sun. He was learning, absorbing every detail about space, the final frontier. He was in his element, surrounded by the very things that made his heart race with excitement. His dreams of journeying to the stars didn't seem so far-fetched now, yet as he gazed at the exhibition, a sense of wonder and anticipation filled him. He was on the precipice of something incredible, something that would forever change his understanding of the universe. The rockets, the space stations, they were just the beginning of his grand adventure. Yet the most magical moment was yet to come. The moment when Leo would come face to face with the very people who dared to venture into the vast expanse of space. The astronauts. As they walked into a room filled with training astronauts, Leo's heart skipped a beat. His eyes widened as he watched them float effortlessly in a zero-gravity environment. There was something absolutely magical about seeing them glide through the air, as if they were swimming in an invisible sea. The astronauts were practicing intricate maneuvers, their hands deftly manipulating complex space equipment. They were repairing mock satellites and conducting simulated spacewalks, their movements as graceful as ballet dancers. Leo was utterly mesmerized by the scene unfolding before him. In that moment, he could almost see himself among them. He could feel the weightlessness, the thrill of floating in space. He could envision himself donning that iconic white spacesuit, helmet reflecting the blinding brilliance of the sun. His heart fluttered at the thought of stepping out of the spacecraft, gazing at the Earth from the black expanse of space. It was a dream, yes, but it felt so real, so tangible. His mind filled with questions, he eagerly asked the guides about the astronauts' training regime. He learned about the intense physical and mental preparation they underwent, the rigorous simulations they had to master. It was a challenging path, but Leo felt an invigorating rush of determination. If they could do it, so could he. He watched, fascinated as an astronaut demonstrated how to repair a malfunctioning piece of equipment. The astronaut moved with precision and patience, his every gesture calculated and deliberate. It was a dance of science and survival, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Leo was in awe of these space explorers, these pioneers of the final frontier. They were heroes, not because they ventured into the unknown, but because they had the courage to chase their dreams, to reach for the stars literally. As they left the center, Leo's mind was filled with stars, rockets, and a newfound determination. He knew that he wanted to be an astronaut, to explore the cosmos, to write his own chapter in the grand story of space exploration. And he was ready to work for it, to make his dream a reality. Inspired and determined, Leo knew what he wanted. He wanted to become an astronaut. Our young Leo, his heart ablaze with a dream, had one grand ambition. The cosmos had called to him, and now he was answering that call with every fiber of his being. The celestial bodies that twinkled far above were not just lights in the sky to him, they were destinations, waiting to be explored. He immersed himself in his studies, devouring books on science and astronomy. Every fact about the universe, every theory about the stars, every story of the astronauts who had dared to venture into the great unknown, he sought to learn. His schoolwork was not just assignments to him, but stepping stones on his path to the stars. And it wasn't just his mind he was preparing, but his body too. He knew that to be an astronaut he would need to be in peak physical condition. So he trained, pushing himself to the limits, building his strength and endurance. Every push-up, every sprint, every leap was a testament to his determination, a symbol of his commitment to his dream. But Leo didn't shy away from the challenges that lay ahead. He knew that the journey to becoming an astronaut would be a tough one. He understood that there would be hurdles to overcome, obstacles to surmount, and setbacks to endure. But he was ready to face every challenge, ready to fight for his dream, ready to reach for the stars. And so, with his eyes firmly set on his goal and his heart beating with undying passion, Leo started his journey. A journey filled with hope and determination, a journey that would test his mettle, and a journey that could one day take him to the stars. Leo was on a mission to conquer the stars. And so, Leo began his grand space journey right here on Earth. With a dream as vast as the cosmos and a heart filled with determination, our young space enthusiast set his sights on a goal that lies beyond the clouds. The universe is a grand tapestry, filled with infinite wonders waiting to be discovered. And Leo, with his eyes full of starlight and his mind brimming with curiosity, dreams of being a part of that grand exploration. His dreams are not just about exploring the unknown, but also about understanding our place in the universe. He yearns to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, to uncover the secrets that the universe has been whispering to us in the language of stardust and light. Every star in the night sky is a story waiting to be told, and Leo dreams of being the one to tell those stories. But dreams, as beautiful as they are, require dedication and hard work to become reality. And Leo understands this. He knows that the path to becoming an astronaut is a challenging one, filled with rigorous studies and strenuous training. Yet his dedication never wavers. He plunges into his studies with renewed vigor, diving deep into the world of science and astronomy. He trains his body and his mind, preparing for the rigors of space travel. His journey may start here on Earth, but his spirit is already soaring among the stars. Every day he takes a step closer to his dream, fueled by his unwavering commitment and his undying enthusiasm. His passion for space is not just a fleeting fascination, but a lifelong commitment. And so Leo's grand space journey continues, one day at a time. Each day brings him closer to his dream, each night brings him closer to the stars. His journey is a testament to the power of dreams, the beauty of determination, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. Who knows? One day we may hear about Leo's grand space journey as he fulfills his dream of exploring the universe.